Hello my sweets, welcome back to my Fall in Luxe mini series. And to start that series, we're gonna start out with the first video, and you're gonna need these two cloches from the Dollar Tree that you have seen me use before. The label is pretty easy to come off, and you're also going to need this piece of styrofoam piece that you can also find at the Dollar Tree, and you're also going to need a styrofoam ball as well. So as you can see, my base is facing right side up, but we're actually going to turn that around, and we're going to cut this piece so they can fit in there snug. So as you can see, it's not fitting, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it just a little bit more. Like I said, you just want to cut it just enough so that it fits right there in the bottom of the base when you flip it around. So as you can see, that is nice and snug. So now you're going to need a styrofoam ball. This is a foam one. I don't recommend it. They're hard to cut. Nonetheless, this is what I had in my stash. You can find styrofoam balls at Walmart or any of the craft stores, which is the same kind of styrofoam as the green type of thing. So go ahead and get that. So now for this part of the what we're creating, you can go ahead and leave it as is. It was a little long for my taste, so here with my hot knife, I'm marking down where I want to cut it down. If you haven't figured out by now what we're creating, we are creating an oversized decorative acorn for the fall season. So now that I've cut that down, you're gonna go ahead and fill it with whatever it is that you want. I was going kind of for like that rustic glam kind of a look, so I have some gems in there, some pine cones, many pumpkins, that sort of thing. And then later on, I'm going to go ahead and stick kind of like a string light in there. So you can go ahead with any direction with this that you want to do. Now for the top, you can use like a piece of wood, a gem, wine cork. I'm going to go with this little cork piece that I had laying around. And then coming right up, I'm just going to give it like a little whitewash type of a thing, because I was going kind of for like a rustic glam kind of a look. And so now to cover our surface, I'm going to use my Glam glitter. This is my Gold Luxe edition mixed with my crushed diamonds. And we want to cover the surface there with including that black part as well. Now a lot of you have asked about my Glam glitter, and it's not in the Amazon store, it's in my email. So if you're interested, reach out to me in my email address, which is in the description box. So coming right up, I'm going to go into the next DIY, and as you can see, these flowers are normally $8 at Michael's, and even on sale they're $6, so they're very expensive. If you want to make an arrangement like I did with 5 of them, you can easily spend $40. But today we're going to use these beautiful ones from the Dollar Tree, and they obviously are $1 each, and look at how gorgeous. They're exactly pretty much like the ones in Michael. The only thing that's missing is the stem. And here's the SKU number for those, and I will leave it in the description box down below as well. They do come in a variety pack, I just want to let you know. So here I have my one of my Glam glitters. This is my champagne blush. And so what I'm going to do today is that I'm going to mix in some crushed glass. And I do have an announcement for today. I'm so excited, and I just want to let you know that I have another line of Glam glitter that is going to include crushed glass in it. Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. Now you have the option to purchase my Glam glitters either plain, just the way you saw them before, or now with this version, which includes the crushed glass. So look at how beautiful that looks. I absolutely love it. So again, the crushed glass is included in all the colors of the Glam glitter. So if you want to purchase these or the regular ones, you can go ahead and email me those, and I will have my website up very, very soon. So what we're going to do, these flowers are pretty much beautiful on their own, but again, I couldn't help myself. I wanted to use my Glam glitter, and now with the crushed glass, I wanted to embellish them even more, and I think they turned out gorgeous. And so that's what that one is looking like. And coming right up, I'm going to show you I don't know which color I'm doing next. Let's see. Okay, yeah. I'm doing the Gold Luxe edition. And for the Gold Luxe edition, of course, I added the crushed glass. And that's what that one is looking like. And I think coming up next, I think I'm doing the rose gold. I absolutely love all of these glam glitters, but I have to say that the rose gold is one of my absolute favorite, and the crushed glass really takes it to the next level, you guys. So I'm gonna do that. And then here I have the silver that I did as well. I should have taken this piece out before, but nonetheless it pops right out, no problem. This is the little clips that these sunflowers bring with them. And so now what I did was that I grabbed some stems that I had from some older flowers, and so I'm simply going to be using it for this. So as you can see, we used 5 flowers and 5 stems, and it was just a total of $10. Whereas if you go the Michaels route, you're gonna waste a fortune on these. So I thought that they turned out beautiful. And there you have it. So now for our next DIY, I'm going to show you that you're gonna need another one of those little cloches. I went ahead and spray paint the bottom gold. So normally they just fit like this really snug, but because I want to go ahead and use a mirror, I'm just gonna go I'm gonna have to lay it on top just like that, which is not a problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue on this mirror. I'm just gonna prop it up with these little felt pads right there. And next I'm using that diamond trim. I will link this down below. You've seen me use this before. I just wanted to give it a little extra something. And now these are my huge crushed diamond pieces. You guys have seen me use this before. I think when I created that tray. I'm gonna grab a little gem knob, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just embellish that with my jumbo crushed diamonds. I think these jumbo pieces are gorgeous as well. I really love these. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. If you can count how many times I say go ahead, leave a comment down below, because I do realize that I say that a lot and I have to stop. It's just a habit, you guys. Go ahead, go ahead. You already know you gotta go ahead. So now you're going to grab one of these that you can also find at the Dollar Tree, because I just wanted to elevate. If you can see through the glass, you can see a little squirrel passing by right there. Let me know if you caught that. They always want to make an appearance every time that I'm doing a video. But anyway, you're going to prop that up with one of these little bases, and there you have it. And here I'm just grabbing some of these little felt pumpkins. These are new to Dollar Tree this year. I don't think that I saw them last year. I don't know. But anyway, I thought they were really cute, and I'm gonna go ahead. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the top part gold, just so that I can look a little better. I think it makes it look prettier, and I'm embellishing it with some more of that diamond strand. Guys, if you enjoyed that video or this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. You know what I always say. It just keeps me going, you guys. So here I have one of these little bottles from the Dollar Tree as well. They pretty much have them in every color, silver and gold. And I'm just embellishing the top there with some of that diamond strand again. And I'm going to glue my little pumpkin, my little glam pumpkin on top. You can do an acorn if you want, a pine cone, whatever it is that you want for your little fall theme. And now I'm grabbing some of these really pretty matches that I found at Marshall's a while back, maybe a few years ago. And I thought it was a really pretty way to display these pretty matches to light up your candles. And that's it. And now I'm going to show you how everything turned out, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the way this turned out. I am absolutely in love with my jumbo decorative acorns. I think that these are unique. You guys, you know that I like to bring you things that are unique. I don't really like to make the same things that you see over and over or that everybody else is doing. So if this is your type of channel, one day I can be super glam. One day I like to do pretty, girly, cutesy things like this. Or I like rustic glam as well. So if you like a channel that brings you a little bit of variety, things that are unique here and there, then hey, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. I would appreciate that, and I would love to have you. And I'm hoping that you're enjoying my channel. And like I said, nothing else is going to let me know more than those thumbs up. And let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know if this is something that you're going to recreate for yourself for the fall season. I absolutely love the fall season. Let me know if this is your favorite time of the year. It is for me. And in the next coming videos, I will be creating some little fall things here and there as well as part of the little mini series. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.